welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share a slice of my life here in Virginia, where mornings are nothing short of magical. Many people say Virginia can be pricey, but let me tell you, the breathtaking sunrises between the mountains make it all worthwhile. There's something truly special about watching the sky transform into a canvas of colors, reminding us to appreciate the beauty around us. Each morning feels like a fresh start, filled with promise and inspiration. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow for more.